Mark Hunter, the Sales Hunter here, and I got Sam Richter, who is the Zen guru of internet search with regards to sales. Sam, share with the audience the 3 elements of sales.
Well, I think the 3 key elements if you're going to be successful, you've got to be calling the right person with the right message at the right time. So all too often we're just picking up the phone book and calling somebody within the organization. We need to call an influencer or a decision maker. We need to be calling at the right time. What's going on in their world where they might actually be interested in taking our call. Maybe it's been a new partnership, a new acquisition, a new hire, a challenge in their industry. And saying the right thing. All too often in sales, we're talking about ourselves and our prospects don't care. All they care about is themselves. So we need to make sure we've done our homework, understand what's going on in their world, so we're relevant to the issues that they're facing.
Those 3 critical things are what again?
Calling the right person with the right message at the right time.
And if people want to reach out to you, you're where?
www.samrichter, R-I-C-H-T-E-R, samrichter.com.
And I'm Mark Hunter, the Sales Hunter at thesaleshunter.com.